Hi dear traders and investors, today is Tuesday, May 23. I'm glad to unveil my regular market review prepared for InstaForex. Let's discuss some of my trading ideas on MetaTrader charts. The economic calendar reminds us about the US Composite PMI, Services PMI and Manufacturing PMI by the S&P Global for May. As usual, gold comes first. The price didn't develop a three-wave structure as I expected. Instead, it carried on with its decline and didn't form any swing lows. Currently, gold has got stuck at lows and created a double bottom. I spotted plenty of the seller's stop losses. Perhaps the metal will shoot up following the news. I tried to go long at a swing low but closed my positions. I assume that obvious swing lows will show up later during the American session. There are also a lot of the buyers' stop losses upwards. I don't see any curious setups for the time being. Yesterday I found an inner pin bar. You're aware that gold may form a nice target and return to them a few months later. The euro-dollar pair is hovering at lows today just like gold. Today I tried to open long positions. I guess the euro may spike later on. The trajectory will depend on the market response to the news. My idea was to earn about 100 pips. Now the euro-dollar pair is trading below the 50% Fibonacci level of the last buying impulse. The instrument could develop a gigantic bullish three-wave structure. We should take into account swing lows. There have been already two. In case of weak US PMIs tonight, the instrument could rise significantly. The US CAD pair has escaped from its triangle pattern through the upper border. The price pumped into a swing high formed in mid-May. It tested the swing high. The instrument is likely to reverse downward, but it will depend on the news tonight. I drew a trading plan on the 4-hour chart based on the price decline. It's still valid. I see some great downward targets and plenty of stop losses. So I want to consider short positions on the US CAD pair. The instrument could move down by almost 3,300 pips. The pound-dollar pair doesn't offer nice trading opportunities lately. The instrument is drifting to its downward target slowly but surely despite the US dollar's advice. The sterling is a tricky instrument, able to leave targets and return to them half a year later. I see both bearish and bullish targets. All in all, I'm not interested in trading this instrument for a while. The dollar-yen pair dipped from its highs today and I even tried to enter the market with short positions. If the US PMIs are weak, the currency pair is likely to go down in response. I hope that stop losses downwards will be activated. Alternatively, if the news from the US is strong, the dollar-yen pair will extend its uptrend. Let me remind you that my big trading plan for the pair's fall is still valid. Today, the instrument has made a false breakout. Let's wait for the news. My trading plan could be revised. If the news is strong, the price will form a bullish candlestick. This will encourage a further buying impulse. That's all I wanted to tell you today. See you later this week.